Hi everyone, we're going to do our last sinking and floating experiment before we start on weather. So the things we will need today, you will need an index, the large size index cards. But if you don't have large size index cards, that's okay. You can use the kind of cardboard that a cracker box comes in, or a cereal box, or a box of cookies, anything that might be in the recycling bin. That's that thin type of cardboard, not thick cardboard. And what you're going to do if you're using cardboard, you need to kind of cut it down to the size of a large index card. Here we go, large index card. See, you'll cut out just the front. If you have a large index card, it's a lot easier. You're just going to fold it in half. You don't have to go all the way, and you're going to cut the top corner off to make a point. See the point? Then we're going to do the bottom. We're going to cut from the fold up and in. We've made kind of snowflakes and things like that where we cut shapes into it. So you get a shape like this. The idea is that it's a motorboat, and in here would be the motor. And last experiment we did with clay, which I hope you all had an opportunity to do, you found that the clay wouldn't float as a ball or a shape, but as soon as you spread out the shape, you were able to make that clay float. And the reason is that water has something called surface tension. Surface tension is where all the little tiny molecules are holding hands. They're really close together. They like to really hold on to each other, and it helps it helps for things to float that way if it's spread out over the surface. For example, if you've ever played Red Rover, or Call Someone Over, and everyone's holding hands, and if the person just kind of casually comes through, they can't get through. They can't get through, but if they come running really hard through, they can break through your hands. It's like the little water molecules are holding hands really tight, and if you drop a clay ball into it, it will break their hands from holding and go right through. But just like Red Rover, when you can hold on real tight and not let anybody come through sometimes, the surface of the water has surface tension that if everything is spread out, it's not enough force to break through that surface tension. So we are going to do something that shows how to break surface tension. Some of the other things you're going to need some black pepper. You'll need your cutout boat. I have 3 of them. And you'll need dish soap, any kind of dish soap. This is the kind Maura Kim uses, but whatever dish soap your mommy uses. One of the jobs of dish soap is that it breaks the surface tension. That's what helps to clean things. So let's see what happens. We're gonna come down and look here. We've got a boat. We're gonna put a bunch of pepper. The pepper won't break through. It doesn't have enough force generally to break through. And we're going to put that in there. Then we're going to take, it only works one time, right into the motor of the engine. I am going to drop some water, and let's see what will happen. Some soap. And look at that. See what it does? As it breaks the surface tension, it threw everything to the other side. So it stops the surface tension wherever it goes. I can't do it again, even though I made 3 more. I have to dump out the water and start with fresh water each time. It won't work a second time, because once the soap is in there, the soap has made all their hands that they're holding, all the little water molecules' hands, be very weak and not be able to hold things up anymore. So the only way to do it is to dump it out and try it again. And I hope you enjoy this. You can cut several of these out. See, I cut a bunch of them out. Dump the water, try it again. Dump the water, try it again. And it's really a lot of fun if you do it in something as big as a bathtub. So if mommy will let you fill the bottom of the bathtub, and you put some pepper in there and put your boat at one end, don't forget you have to drop your soap right into where the motor is. You'll see your boat go straight across the whole bathtub. Enjoy sciencing. I'll see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.